Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to receive money from your customers or do a manual bank receipt into QuickBooks Online. So here we are on the dashboard. All we do is we move our cursor up to the little plus menu, click on that, and what we're presented with, if QuickBooks code has realised, is pie chart there, but what we're interested in this tutorial video is to receive payment underneath the customers menu. So if we click on receive payment, that should then take us to a screen where we can start saying which customer it is that we're receiving payment from. So if we just work our way through the boxes as we normally do, I'm just going to click on the menu button at the right hand side. I'm going to say it's Mr. A customer that we want to record a receipt from, because we've seen some of the money from him or her going into the bank account. All that does is it pre-populates some fields, but the one that we're interested in next is the date when this occurred. So if I picked up the bank statements today, and actually I noticed it was yesterday the money went in there, we just choose the little calendar menu and just select the date that this actually happened on the bank statement. QuickBooks then wants to know how did you receive this money, just to help with reconciliation in the future. If we choose the menu items, we're presented with quite a few options, but let's say, for example, this customer transferred us the money, so they sent it via BACS. So let's choose BACS. It'll just help with a little bit of referencing in the future. The next box is the reference number. That's quite useful if we received cash or checks. So, you know, where we physically write out a paying in slip and then go down to the bank and pay it in. So we would see the paying in slip reference number on there, but this guy's paid us by BACS, so no reference really to account for here. And then it wants to know which bank account this money was paid into. There is only one bank account on this demo account, but if there were more, they'd all appear in this list. As you can see, there's a cash account there as well we could choose, but in this example, we're going to say we actually received the money into the business account, so I'll just keep that as is. And then, because we've selected the customer, what it's done is it's narrowed down the outstanding invoices, the outstanding sales invoices that we've got on our system, just to this guy, this customer. And what we can do then is just choose from this selection as to which invoices they've paid. But I'm going to say that actually it's just this first one that this customer's paid, so I'm just going to tick this box here. Equally, you could have just written £247.50 in the box there if you like doing things manually, but I'm quite laid back and lazy, so tick box is the way forward for me. And then at the bottom right, we're just interested in clicking Save and New. In fact, this is the only receipt I'm recording, so I'm just going to choose the menu item at the right hand side and click Save and Close instead. And what that does, that's put a receipt into our bank account in QuickBooks that paid off Mr. A customer's oldest invoice that he'd unpaid us. So that's all logged and ready, so we no longer need to chase that guy for that invoice from July. Hope that's helped, guys. Thanks for watching.